Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my May favorites. I had to think of like, all right, I'm in June. It's May. So we're doing May's favorites. So I have a lot of stuff sitting on the table in front of me. Not a lot, but it's a few things sitting on the table in front of me. So if you guys want to know about these few things that are sitting on the table in front of me, stay tuned. Okay, well, I haven't done a favorites video in a few years, I think. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've done a favorites video. So I was like, you know what? I was actually going to do one like 2 months ago, but I started going on those weird hiatuses of not doing videos for a while because I got extra busy, and then I was going to do one last month, and then I got extra busy yet again. So here I am finally finally doing a favorites video, something I have, like I said, I haven't done in a while. Let me move my phone out the way. So let's see, where do I want to start? I have like a table full of stuff in front of me. So I'm gonna start. Let's start with beauty. Let's start with makeup. Okay. Yesterday, you guys got two videos out of me yesterday. At 10 a.m. Central Time, I posted my get ready with me, and it was a graduation day for my youngest niece, Liliana, and it was also the whole weekend was graduations and birthdays. So I was doing a little chit chatting, putting on some makeup, and the eyeshadow palette that I used was the brown sugar palette from ColourPop, and it was they did a collab with Karrache Tran. And this palette is actually really nice. I've been using this for about a month. Actually, I've been using it longer than a month. And here are all the colors right here. Put those in right there. I'm going to also insert some pictures also for you guys because, I mean, that's what I should do. So, but no, actually, no, I'm not. I'm not going to insert pictures because that takes time. And I have to edit this video tonight because today is Saturday. So I have to edit so you guys can get this out on Sunday. So, but yeah, actually, I really like this. I really like this palette. I love the color choices in here. It's a great neutral palette, and you can do so many different things. I'm actually wearing Jamocha on my eyes right now. I didn't do a whole lot of makeup because it's like 8:12 in the evening. You can kind of tell how dark it is in here with all the lights. I'm using all lights right now. So I just I did minimal makeup. So what I just did a little Jamocha, just kind of dusted on my eyes, no big deal. Something quick and easy. And I like this palette because it's a quick and easy palette you can take from day to night. You can go to work, put on a little something, something extra, take it into night, and it's a really, really versatile palette. And the next thing we're going to talk about, we're going to go from beauty to hair. And I'm going to talk about my life-saving deep conditioner, the Shea Moisture Magango and Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask. I've been talking about this forever. Y'all know. I keep saying low porosity. It is high porosity. This deep conditioner is bae. The deep conditioner that was bae before this, which is still bae, is the Manuka Honey Shea Moisture deep conditioner. I still like that one too. Don't get it twisted. That may come back into the fold. If I can't find this, I always have that as a backup. So don't get it twisted. Shea Moisture and the deep conditioners are always my jam. And in combination of that deep conditioner is my conditioning cap. I actually use this. What I do is after I wash my hair, I put the high porosity deep conditioner on. I put a plastic cap on, and I put this on. I put this in the microwave for like 88 minutes. And then put this on for like 30 minutes and go on about my life. I do my homework. I'll surf the internet, do whatever. Maybe do a little cleaning. And these are my jam. This saved my life, I'm going to tell you, last month. Because y'all know about that Vernon Francois. You all saw it yesterday and how it just didn't work very well for me. But this actually helped a lot in getting the moisture in my hair. So thank goodness for that. Okay, we did makeup, we did hair. Let's go to tech. I know you guys haven't heard me talk about a lot of tech. Last time I think I did any tech conversations was, I think it was my birthday haul and my all the stuff that I bought. So in my hand is my iPad. This is the the 2018 edition of the iPad. Let's see. Let's show it right here. Oh, this is my iPad, and you all know who's on the front cover. It's your favorite friend, the Schmugmeister. I actually have it in a Logipad case, so I can do a lot of my typing. Sometimes I'll try to start writing some papers on my iPad if I don't have my laptop if I don't have my MacBook Air handy. I will use this. I use this for so many different things, not just for schoolwork. This is also my planner. I have an app called Planner Pro on here, which is as you all know about my whole planner situation. I love using a planner, and I've had hand planners, I've had electronic. Well, I've had hand planners mainly, but I went to an electronic planner. With first, I tried to use one with my Apple Pencil. That didn't work out very well. Now I have this app called Planner Pro, which is also a favorite of mine. Hopefully, I'm gonna include some video images of me using it. I just have to shoot that. So, but yeah, Planner Pro is a really cool planner. It pretty much helps me. I write down a lot of tasks, notes, things of that nature, meetings, things like that. I actually take this to work with me every day. So this goes to work. It's my planner, not just for work. It is also my school planner. It is my YouTube planner. I do everything in that one spot. I also, like I said, I do some of my school work as I'm like traveling to and from work. I commute, and I will read. A lot of times, I will read my school books. I'll read whatever chapter I have for that class. Like right now, I'm taking a class called Professional Selling, and we have to read 2 chapters. So basically, I'm reading on the bus to work, on the bus from work. I try to read, and this is a great way to do it because it's very small and it's very handy. And now we move into the fashion section of this video, and we're gonna start with my sunglasses. I did a whole video dedicated to sunglasses, which is going to be up here. And these were 2 of the brand new pairs of sunglasses that I bought at that time. These are my Chloe aviator sunglasses, which I'm going to put on right here. You guys can see on my lights. My sister Lisa called these my serial killer glasses. I do call them my serial killer chic glasses. I love these glasses. It's funny, like when I'm on my way into work, I'll have them on as I walk in the building. And I keep them on. They look darker than they really are to me because I'm looking at myself in the monitor and they look really dark, and to me they're not that dark. I can actually still do things. My desk is near a window at work, so sometimes I have to kind of put my glasses on because it's bright right by the window some days. So it's really nice to have a nice stylish sunglass to have on. And I mean, I love these glasses. I like wearing these anytime, dress up, dress down, and they are so cool. I love the arms because it's like a double arm. Chloe is very feminine with their design. That's why when I saw these, I was like, oh my God, they're feminine, but slightly masculine at the same time. But what makes them extra feminine is what makes them even more unique is like this extra frame right here and going across the nose with the little dots right there. Try to get in. There we go. Get in a little closer so you guys can see. And These glasses are just way too cool. These glasses are so cool. Lisa ended up getting a pair. I was checking out Haute Look. That's where I picked these up. When I was checking them out and they had them, so I sent her a text. I was like, they got them, and she ended up like grabbing them instantly. These glasses were well over. These were under $100. I think it was like $80 for a pair of real Chloe sunglasses. So if you have Haute Look, the app, jump on it when they have sunglass sales. You find a lot of really really good sunglasses at really good prices. Okay, and the next fashion thing we're going to talk about is my Philip Lim Pashley bag. This is the large size. I picked this up. When did I get this bag? I want to say I've had this bag about a good 5 years, I want to say. I actually picked this up from a consignment shop here in St. Louis called Bird. It's in Ladue. It's a really, no, I'm sorry. No, I didn't. I got this at Women's Closet Exchange. That's where I found it. Actually, that store closed some time ago, which really was sad. They were on Gravois. I think they were in South County, and here in St. Louis. And this is a really cool bag. I've been wearing this bag every day for months, but I had to shout it out in this video. One of the things I really love about this bag is like you can unzip the flaps, and you can actually expand it for like more expansion for the bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a protein bar, some tissue, and a nail file from Fashion File. There's a inner zipper. I think there's some stuff in there too. I actually just emptied this out yesterday so I can carry a new bag that you guys are going to see next week. See me unbox next week. A new weekend bag, actually. And this is, like I said, this is my work bag. This is my Monday through Friday bag, and I love this bag. I wear it as a crossbody, always with the crossbody. You can also carry it on the crook of your arm. And this, like I said, I love this bag. It's very versatile. Like I said, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I've worn this with jeans. I've worn this with like sweats and so many different things. That's why I love this bag. It is not done me wrong. It's very roomy. Because sometimes I've had, let's see, my winter hat's been in there, gloves, tissue, like several packs of tissue, lots of things, and this bag holds everything. Okay, and last but not least, I cannot do a favorites video and not mention a sneaker. There's like no way. If there's a handbag, there has to be a sneaker. It's like hand in glove. Hand in glove. That's what this is. Hand in glove. Okay? We're going with hand in glove. So my favorite sneaker is the Nike Air 270s. But I have 3 pairs of 270s. I have these. I have a pair of golden ones and a pair of, they're green, and I forgot the colorway they were calling it. That wasn't the Northern Lights. The men's ones were the Northern Lights, but I forgot the name that they had for that. If I have it, I'll put it below. But the ones that I'm going to show you these are the Sunset colorway. This is in hyper pink. This is in hyper gray, black, and hyper pink. As you all can see, it is a nice ombre effect going from grape to pink with the black accents. This shoe, when you are wearing this shoe, it's like you're walking on a cloud. I love this shoe to death. As you can see, I've worn it a lot. This is in a women's 9, men's 7.5. I love this shoe so much. I love this shoe so much. I have 3 different colorways. I don't know. There's 2 more colorways. I'm really looking at doing 3. I'm sorry, it's 3 more colorways: white, gray, and black. I am still thinking about getting, but I haven't bought a pair of shoes in a while. Don't ask me why. We'll have that conversation in another video. But I love this shoe in particular because it is very comfortable, very functional. I like wearing this with a pair of jeans, sweats. I just love wearing these. I've worn these to work before. I can't wear them all day at work, but I wear them to and from work. And I'll change my shoes like when it's time to go and I'm getting ready to go. And everybody, I get so many compliments on these shoes. My sister Lisa calls them my alien shoes. And I can understand they look very alien like. And they are so fun. They actually give me a little extra height because of the bubble. And like I said, it's like walking on it's like walking on a bubble. They're really soft and that you bounce when you walk. That's why I love this shoe. That's why I have 3 pairs of them. So it was a no-brainer. I had to go with this shoe. And that is it for this video. If you guys want to know anything else about all of my different things that I liked in the month of May, I'm going to have everything linked below. If you have any questions about any of the things, you can also talk to me below in this video. And that's going to be about it. It is 8:30 and I have to edit this video so you guys can see it on time. So I'm going to get on out of here. Like I said, if you have any questions, talk to me below. All of my social medias were at the beginning on this side. I'm like, which side am I on? All the social medias were at the beginning on this side. So you can always reach out to me over there and say hi. But any other questions on the video, talk to me below. I'm going to get out of here so I can get this video edited and put out. And that's it. I'm out of here. Love, peace, hair products, fashion, tech, beauty, and all that fun-filled stuff. Bye.